Hey, do you want this transition? First, get your clips ready with time frame mapping. Now, duplicate your transition clip and freeze it. Adjust it according to your beats. Now, select the pen tool and create a mask around the character like I am doing. Now, go to your second layer and hide it. After that, draw a mask around the neck. Then unhide the layer again and complete the mask around his face. Now create a solid layer for both masks. Press T on your keyboard to reveal the opacity and add keyframes like I am doing. Easy is the keyframes by pressing F9 on your keyboard. Now copy the mask and paste it onto your solid layer. Next, pre-comp your clip along with the solid layer. Now create a keyframe for scale, drag it to the middle and create another keyframe and set the scale value between 25 to 35. Press P on your keyboard to reveal the position value, right click it and select separate dimensions. Create a Y position keyframe like I am doing. For the second layer, create only the scale keyframes. Now, easy all the keyframes and copy my graph. Now, we'll add some zooms and shakes. You can either follow my settings or create your own.
Now for a couple of nights, need to rebuild myself to come alive. It all makes sense now, now that the lights out. It's a different world to me, it makes me feel down. Wait until the storm comes down, until the sleep comes and makes it alright. Waiting for the morning light.
If you want me to show you how to upgrade this transition even further, like this, let me know in the comments.